Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Ever find yourself mindlessly scrolling through your social media feeds, contributing likes and comments, but feeling like you're not getting anything in return? What if there existed a way to turn that time into cold, hard cash? Imagine a scenario where websites reward you for your time spent online. That's right, actual money for merely reading emails and clicking a few buttons. And the cherry on top, you can join for free and participate from anywhere across the globe. All you need is an internet-connected device. Now let's dive into the process. Start by clicking the first website link provided in the video description below. Sign up using your Gmail address and a password you can remember. After signing up, check your inbox for a confirmation email and click on the link to verify your account. After verification, sign back into the website with your credentials. And voila, you're in. Now all that's left to do is wait for emails to pop up in your inbox on the website and click on them. When you're ready to cash out your earnings, click on the Withdraw button. You'll see several payment methods like Payeer or Faucet Pay. You can cash out once you've earned a minimum of 10 cents. The payment will instantly reflect in your selected wallet. But that's not all. There's another website you can check out. The link is provided in the video description below. This website even offers a $3 sign-up bonus just for creating an account. To boost your earnings even further, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and select the Paid Email option. A list of unread emails will appear. Click on one, which will open a new website. Then, simply go back to the email list. Congratulations! You've just earned 2 cents in a matter of seconds. Repeat this process with all the unread emails to maximize your earnings. To withdraw your money from this website and transfer it to your PayPal or bank account, click on My Account in the top right corner and select Request Payment. Once your balance reaches $15, you can withdraw the money, which will be instantly credited to your account. So why wait? Sign up for these websites today and start padding your wallet with some extra cash. And while you're at it, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money online. Thanks for tuning in and happy earning.